Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to wrap text in Framer. So the quickest way, let's use this one, is that we use here at the top left this text icon. And now what we can do is simply just move it around. As you can see, it changes when we change the width or the height of this box. This is really quick way to manipulate with the text. So wrap the text. You can also adjust it here in the right side panel. So this is property panel. So right here you can adjust width, height. You can also change the color if you want, rotate it, style, font, and so on. So you can really adjust that height, and yeah. Now this is for most precise options. So here this panel is just for that it's really precise. And this is basically it. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.